If you're in the market to buy your Bluetooth headphones for yourself, and you're too inspired to buy the MIDI collar headphones, which are typically promoted by many YouTubers and social media influencers, then I would recommend you to give a look at these Samsung Level U collar headphones. Now, why am I recommending you, or why you should go for this? Purely because of my experience. I have been using these headphones from past 6 months, and I will be sharing you the pros and cons for these headphones. Firstly, go for these headphones if you're comfortable with this type of design. If you're someone who likes your headphones to be in-ear headphones, then I would suggest please try. If you're comfortable with this one, only then go for it. I was using the in-ear headphones from probably 2 years and I could change onto this. Also, not that I have not tried other headphones, I have, but the sound quality of this will match with your expectation is what I believe. If you're someone who likes to pick up way too many calls, like to watch way too many videos on YouTube, like to listen music for a casual 1 or 2 hours and not that music buff, then yes, these headphones are typically for you. I use these headphones to watch YouTube videos for about 3 to 4 hours. I accept calls or talk on phone for about 2 hours in a day. And music, if you have to say, then I listen to music for about an hour while traveling, and it can easily last for a day or more than a day. You don't have to charge. Okay, how much time does it take to charge? Just 45 minutes or 1 hour. Now let's look at the configuration of these headphones, like how to pair and what are the other features which you will get with these ones. So you have to press this button to pair with your phone. It's a simple process. You just long press this button and it will appear. Just a simple ball game. Now the plus and the minus button will control your music. Also, it will act as a song changer. So I have been using these headphones while riding a bike, and it is quite convenient to change the songs inside the helmet. So this is also one of the pros. If you're someone who likes to travel on the bike, then you can plug in these headphones, though I wouldn't recommend you, but sometimes it's okay. You can talk on these headphones if you have a muffler, so the wind noise will get reduced and the B party can hear you properly. So I have checked that as well, and it doesn't disappoint you. Thirdly, I don't think it's too expensive. If you compare with the MIDI collar headphones, they cost typically about 3,000 rupees. So it is 1,000 cheaper than that, I believe. And also it has these magnetic buds. So if you're not using, then you can just put it across your collar and it will keep lying on your neck and you won't feel an inch. They are very, very lightweight. So in all, I think it sums up to a good headphones. Though I have used it very roughly, so this is what happened because I use these headphones while sleeping or typically whole day it's on my neck. So little bit here and there it's okay. Like after 6 months or if a year it can last you, then yes. The bass, the treble is quite good. I had checked the other headphones in the category of JBL, Sony or Skull Candy. But yes, these were matching up to that levels. Note that Skull Candy headphones suck. The only competition to this would be the Sony headphone, but the build quality of that is very plasticky. This headphones feels premium in front of that, and the MIDI collar headphones, I don't want to comment on that because I have not used it, but they are way above my budget, so I don't want to comment about that. All in all, if you want to purchase, the link is in the description box below. Please check it out, it might help my channel. And for more such reviews, press that subscribe button. It's free. I keep making videos only after I'm satisfied with the product and probably after 6 or 8 months. So if you're expecting an unboxing, you can visit different channels. But if you're expecting a true review, stick here. Thank you.